Hi, today I'm ready for Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to activate quick launch from double tap to power key on this device. So if you want to launch the camera application by double press to the power key. Now, one moment please. Yes, and this time. So if you wanna just use the camera application by double press the power key, like in my case, you should first open the settings, then scroll down to the system section, then click to the gestures and tap jump to camera. Now that switcher in your case is turned off. Just to turn it on, you should click here once on the switcher and just now by double press the power key, we should click to OK, and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.